Integrating SendPulse email marketing with Pipedrive can streamline your email marketing efforts and enhance your customer relationship management processes. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to integrate the two platforms. If you haven't already, sign up for accounts with both SendPulse and Pipedrive. You can use the link in the description to try both of these platforms. Log into your Pipedrive account and navigate to the Pipedrive marketplace. Search for SendPulse in the marketplace or browse through the available integrations until you find SendPulse. Click on the SendPulse integration to learn more about it. Then, click Install or any similar button to add the integration to your Pipedrive account. Follow the prompts to authorize Pipedrive to access your SendPulse account. You may need to log into your SendPulse account and grant permissions for the integration. Once the integration is installed and authorized, configure the settings according to your preferences. This may include selecting the specific lists or campaigns you want to sync between SendPulse and Pipedrive. Depending on your workflow, you might need to map fields between SendPulse and Pipedrive to ensure that data is transferred accurately. For example, you may want to map Pipedrive contact fields to corresponding fields in SendPulse. After configuring the integration, it's a good idea to test it to ensure that data is syncing correctly between SendPulse and Pipedrive. Create a test contact or deal in Pipedrive and verify that it appears correctly in SendPulse, and vice versa. Once everything is set up and tested successfully, you can start leveraging the integration to automate your email marketing campaigns based on your Pipedrive data. For example, you can create email campaigns targeted at specific Pipedrive deal stages or contacts. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure that it continues to meet your needs effectively. You may need to make adjustments or optimizations over time as your business requirements evolve. By integrating SendPulse email marketing with Pipedrive, you can enhance your email marketing efforts by leveraging the customer data stored in your CRM system, ultimately helping you engage with your leads and customers more effectively. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both of these platforms.